Hey Google, turn on my light.
Switching on your lights.
Turn off my light.
Switching off your lights.
Hello guys, my name is Abdullah and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Azek Electronics. So this is my second video on the series of Node MCU ESP8266. So today we are going to make a project in which we will control our LED bulb through our voice via Google Assistant. So for this particular project, you will be require this type of components. First, the Node MCU ESP8266 module, the 5-volt relay module, jumper wires, the multi-core wires, a LED bulb, two pin and a holder to connect our LED bulb. While in the software section, we will be using the three different platforms. First, the Arduino IDE to program our ESP8266 board, and other than that, we will be using the IFTTT services and Adafruit Cloud. We will see what are the use of these two last IFTTT and Adafruit Cloud in our project. Let us make the circuit connection. First, connect the VCC and ground to the relay module with the Node MCU, and then connect the D6 pin to the signal pin of the relay module through jumper wires. Now connect the common pin of the relay module to the bulb through multi-core wire and the normal open pin to the 2 pin. Then lastly connect the bulb and a 2 pin with a multi-core wire. Let's start with the basic block diagram. In IFTTT, we will create a trigger for the Google Assistant so that when we say turn on or off the lights, it will send a change request to the Adafruit Cloud, where we will create a one feed in which the updated status of the bulb will be stored, and this updated status will be shared with our microcontroller, which will turn on and off our bulb. Let's understand the basic concept of IFTTT. IFTTT stands for if this then that if this particular task happen, then perform this task. This is the basic concept of it. So what is the use of our project? That in our project we will use a Google Assistant. That in our Google Assistant, when we say turn on or off our light, it will on and off our bulb in the home. So this way we will use our IFTTT services. Now let's go to the IFTTT part, where we will choose the Google Assistant service in if this section to store our phrases like turn on lights or switch on my lights, and then the Adafruit Cloud service in the then this section to update the status of the bulb from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1 when we say that sentence to our Google Assistant. And remember to use an identical Gmail account or any other account when creating an account in IFTTT and Adafruit Cloud, as well as on your smartphone for Google Assistant. First of all, on Google, search for Adafruit Cloud. Then click on this first link, welcome to Adafruit IO. As I already make the account on the Adafruit Cloud, so it will be ready for me for the dashboard and feeds available for me. You first create the account and then go to the feed section. Here you have to create a new feed. I have created a 2 feed over here, that IFTTT and LED bulb. You can make a feed from here. Click on new feed, then type your feed name, anything like AZ or anything, and then create it. As I already made the feed, I will not create any new feed. Now after creating the feed, go to the my key section. Here you can see your username and active key will be shown over here. So copy these. This will be used in our future when we will program in Arduino IDE for our project. So copy it in your notes to use in further purpose. Now we will go for IFTT services. So search for IFTT, not Adafruit. Here iftt.com. It is I am using the free version, so they will allow you to create the 3 applets on a free account. As I already created the two applets for it, I will show you another template, creating a new template. Go to create on template. In that, click on this first, if this tab. Then select the service of Google Assistant, as we are using Google Assistant for the turning on our light on and off. You can use different phrases for your purpose. I will choose this simple phrase only. Here it is written now. What do you want to say? That if this word will be said to the Google Assistant, your command will run. So I will say turn on the light. You can add 3 different sentences to trigger your work. So I will write another also. Please turn on the lights. Okay, I will go for 2 only. And here you will say what do you want the assistant to say in response. So I will say that the assistant tell me that turning on lights. Now click on the create trigger. So half of the work is done. Now go to then that what to do now, means if this phrase is told by you to the Google Assistant, then what will you do? Then that. Click on the then that and select the Adafruit services. Choose this on. They will give one option only, send data to Adafruit IO. So here you can from feed name you can select, as I created 2, it will be shown 2. Whatever name you have created, it will be shown here. But remember that if you created the you created your both account from the same Gmail account, then only it will be show you. It will be connect to your both platform IFTTT and Adafruit Cloud. So I will select the IFTT and select the data to be saved as 1. As I have made the trigger for making turn on light, so it will be 1 data. While making off trigger, you should remember to type here 0 to data to save. So here now completely create action. The vote is done. So now continue and done. Our applet is now ready. Similarly, do the steps for the off trigger also, and your project will your IFTT will be done completely. Now open the Arduino IDE. Paste the code from the link given in the description box. I have given the link over there of the GitHub. Download the code and paste over here. Now you have to make changes of multiple things, as here you have to change your Wi-Fi name and password. Then keep this server name because you will also using the Adafruit Cloud only, and remember to change this username and AIO key. Then all the codes are is ready to use directly. So I have completed the connection of my circuit as shown in the video before, as well as I have completed my software part as well in IFTT, Google Assistant and Adafruit Cloud. Now it's time to demonstrate our project. So first of all, we say to our Google Assistant to turn on our light. So I will say, hey Google, Turn on my light.
Switching on your lights.
So here you can see when I say turn on my light to the Google Assistant, it's switching on my light. Now I will say to Google Assistant to off my light. Hey Google, turn off my light.
Switching off your lights.
So here you can see when I say turn off my light to the Google Assistant, it's also switching off my light. So this way you can make your simple LED bulb to a smart LED bulb. We will try it once more. Hey Google, turn on my light.
Switching on your lights.
Hey Google, turn off my light.
Switching off your lights.
Hey Google, turn on my light.
Switching on your lights.
Hey Google, turn off my light.